Does C++ have a string split like C#? What a great question. No, and my understanding, my understanding of this, and I could be wrong, is that because no one can really decide what a split should do. Like for the question, the first question is like, well, what do you store in? Do you store in a vector or a list or a deck or some ones if you want some custom format? So then you'd have to have, it templated on like a thing that can store it, and then the problem is that there's kind of loads of questions, and C++ doesn't really want to constrain you. So like, what do you do if do you handle if the delimiter appears twice with nothing in it? Do you have like an empty entry, or do you ignore them? What do you do if you have like a trailing delimiter? What do you do if the first thing's a delimiter? There's kind of like, when you got a language like C#, which is driven by a company, Microsoft can just go, here's what split does, like deal with it. Whereas C++ is like, there's lots of questions around split, so we don't really want to standardize any of them. But the actual answer is use ranges, because ranges does have a split, and it gives you effectively it kind of gives you a way of, well, it does it with ranges, so it's kind of a non-owning, lazy evaluated way of kind of moving through the different sections of that range based on delimiter.